All right, guys. Greg here, and we made it. February 1st. Stacy has made it a whole month on keto.
Mm-hmm.
And there's been a lot of trials and tribulations that go along with that. Everything from rashes to digestive issues. The keto flu made a small appearance.
Yeah.
It's been a journey this month. And we started off with the intention of changing, just doing this for a month and just kind of see how we do and how we feel. And then just kind of doing our normal reviews channel. But we've really liked this. We really liked this because not only does it help us keep us accountable for what we're doing, it also gives us an ability to log sort of what we're putting in our bodies, the nutrients information. We're learning as we go. We're making new recipes. We're experimenting. Stacy's a baker. I'm a cook. We got some recipes that we're tweaking that are interesting to us. We hope to share them with you guys. And we just can't do that with what we originally intended the channel to be.
Right.
So we are going to take the full plunge and turn our unscripted reviews into
Our unscripted keto lifestyle.
So we're going to talk about our journey with keto. We're going to keep the recipes coming. We're going to basically make this the full-time channel, and it's completely keto dedicated. We also, there's family issues, right, that cause up because of a keto. You know, some of your kids, you don't necessarily want them to have a high-fat and high-carb diet. And so transitioning that, it's not one of those challenges that we come up across on a regular basis. We have 3 kids that still live with us, and they've had some challenges, but they've been very supportive. Yes. They have been supportive. They understand, and only one of them complains all the time. So, love you anyway, Adam. But we know that chicken tenders and fries has become your staple since you were just a wee lad.
Don't forget the Pop-Tarts.
Yeah, and Pop-Tarts. So we're gonna stick through this. We're gonna keep posting these reviews. We're gonna keep doing this. We've had a lot of fun posting these reviews and doing these channels. We have
and trying the new recipes. Getting out of our comfort zone.
We very much both like trying new things. Maybe some of us are a little bit more overzealous with new things than somebody else. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look at that birthday cake Quest bar recipe. Not recipe. Review video.
What was wrong with that?
She was super excited. And then the Zip Fizz, she's completely bonkers over Zip Fizz right now.
The birthday cake was good.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, this is just a quick message to let you know that we're staying keto.
We're all keto.
Yep. We're all keto. And
you don't have a keto
I don't have a keto on. I almost wore a keto today, but I did wear a keto. So I hope you guys
you'll stick with us.
Yeah, I hope you guys. For those of you who joined before we started keto, I hope you guys will keep join us in this adventure. I know a couple of you have sent messages about the fact that maybe you did keto at one time and didn't necessarily looking at a keto channel, but now we're a keto channel. So I hope you guys will keep with us, maybe help keep us accountable for this. And for those of you who joined after we switched over to keto, we really appreciate your support. Most of the comments have been fantastic. We really enjoy reading those, and we try to get back to everyone. Obviously we're a very small channel right now. This is just, we're buying this stuff with our money, and we're just trying to make a journal and log this stuff and hopefully provide you guys with some information. We got a really cool Rebel Creamery video coming up where we bought basically all the creamery, all the ice creams that they sell, and we're even doing unboxing and all that. So this is just a way for us to be accountable, and we hope you guys join us on this journey.
We're also still going to do some reviews on things,
absolutely.
Because this is our lifestyle. So, if you've seen the earlier reviews on the e-bikes, kitchen items, things like that. We still have some things in the work for that we plan on tying into the video. Or
Absolutely.
Into the channel, because,
we are also very
kitchen,
much
household, that's all related to your life.
Yep, absolutely. And we also play games when our downtime. Mm-hmm. So a lot of you guys have seen our Box Throne review with all those board games on there. Likely we'll do some more reviews on that in the future. Those are a little bit more challenging to shoot, especially with some of our friends who want to play but don't necessarily want to be filmed. So, and Stacey and I don't really play the games by each other.
Yeah.
Somebody's really competitive, so she kind of needs a mediator to hopefully have some person to beat.
I'm competitive to beat him.
Extremely. Thankfully, it doesn't happen very often.
It happened quite a bit on our last game night.
Yeah, we haven't had another one since then.
Yeah.
So maybe you should be less competitive. Anyway, guys, that's it for now. Thank you for joining us in this journey. Thank you for all your likes, all your comments, all your shares.
Keep them coming.
Yeah, we've definitely.
If you have any tips, any recipes, anything related to keto that you want to pass on that information to us, we are more than welcome to receive it.
Absolutely.
We're out. Stay keto.
Ooh. Stay random.